back to Kawaii Sensei no Nihongo.
In today's class, we are going to learn to say, this is a pen.
これはペンです。難しい。
これは
鉛筆です。This is considered easy reading in Japan. If you want to be able to read this, well, you're gonna have to study really hard anyway. Anyone can learn Japanese, and that can be really fun and easy. Years and years of study, but that doesn't mean you can't learn and have fun doing it. And why should you listen to a Baka Gaijin? Well, because I started just like you. I started out trying to learn on my own, and it was super hard. The most important thing is to have fun and keep doing it. That's why Kawaii Sensei no Nihongo was created.
バカ外人だけど、彼女は楽しい。
めちゃくちゃ可愛い。
かっこいいぜ。
So let's have fun together. 一緒に楽しもうね. Spend a little more time with me. I will be here every step of the way. And soon you'll be saying, やったーね。よろしくお願いいたします。みんな大好きだよ。